Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Hey, we're testing this master cylinder. It's going off to B&E Restorations. I guess he's doing it all out like he does. Top of the line concourse restorations, a lot of E-bodies. But anyway, got this NOS 9171 master cylinder 2229171, and of course we're getting ready to ship it out to them. And of course I bench bleed them and check them, make sure, checking for leaks, getting the air out, checking for things such as, you read your manual, that little geyser up front bowls for your rear brakes, right? See that little geyser when you first push on there? Yeah. That little geyser tells you that the little valve's working there on your drum brakes, your residual pressure valve's working. Of course, I just filled it up with fluid just now. I just got the air out, and I'm just checking to make sure that the pistons are real smooth, and they are. They're real smooth. They gradually come all the way back to rest. And then, of course, we want to check on fluid flow, see what we've got. See that nice stream? Little jerky. Just checking for flow. Do you see that strong flow out of there? Yeah. If you think you got brake problems, start off at the pump. The master cylinder's the pump. If you ain't got any fluid, you ain't got any pressure, you might want to check your pump and make sure that your pump has got flow. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Mopar.